Swing in Seattle, Lindy Hop 2, week number 3. Thanks for joining us. Here's the new material that we had for this week. We took this component from last time going to the outside trip, full step, and then we added a turn for the leaders, followers, leaders, into the circle, triple, and step, step, and triple, and there we go. We reviewed the straddle, again, with this feeling of staying forward, rock, step, kick, step, front and a back, front and a back. And then we were allowing ourselves to mix it up for how long you kept the straddle there. Boom, boom, and there we go. We also did this. We did a little stomp off into, off of the swing up, and that looks like this. Swing out, triple step, 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 triple step, rock, step, down, back, rock, step, ba-da, 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 and there it is. And we also added the swivels for the followers while looking for some space when we're apart. So followers might be going.
Twist, twist, triple step, step,
Again it
step,
goes.
triple step, twist, twist, triple step.
I might invite some space going. Ho, ha, hey, ha, and there it is. Week number 3. Thank you very much.
Thanks, everyone.